Hi friends, I am Manmada from LA Training Solutions. Today I will discuss competitive exam question, Elite practice book, page number 139, question number 41. Question: 4 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. At present, the average age of A, B and C is 24 years. What would be the age of C after 8 years? Okay, so 4 years ago, A plus B average is 18 years. So present average is A plus B by 2. 4 years ago 18, present 22 కదా. సో సమ్ అయితే A plus B సమ్ అయితే 44 years కదా, 44 years. సో present ఏజ్ A plus B plus C యావరేజ్ ఏజ్ 24. సో టోటల్ ఏజ్ A plus B plus C టోటల్ ఏజ్ 24 into 3 72 years కదా. సో A plus B 44 years. సో C is 72 minus 44 28 years కదా. C is 28 years. C present is 28 years. C present is 28 years. After 8 years. After 8 years అయితే plus 8 కదా. సో 36 years. సో after 8 years C is 36 years. Answer 36. Answer 36. Thank you.